Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I don't have any reservation, but I was wondering if you have any rooms available for tonight.
Let me check that for you, ma'am. Yes, we have few available rooms. Would you prefer single, double, or deluxe room?
Single room, please.
Certainly, our single room is 5,000 per night. It includes all amenities, including breakfast. Would you prefer with that?
Yes, that sounds good.
What would you prefer, smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking.
Here is your registration form, ma'am. Kindly fill out. Thank you, ma'am. May I see your valid ID?
Sure.
Can I get your credit card for the payment, ma'am?
Sure.
Thank you. You're all set. You'll be in room 112 at non-smoking room, located at 3rd floor near the elevator. Check-out time is 12 p.m. Here's your key card, ma'am.
Thanks.
If you need anything else, feel free to call reception.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, room 112.
Great. Let me just pull up your file. Did you take anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Alright. Your total comes to 5,000. Would you like the receipt to email or printed?
Please email it to me.
Okay. Done. I just sent an email to you and thank you for coming and we hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Safe travels.